Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be covering the first tutorial of SQLite databases with Python, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so we can beat the YouTube algorithm together. So in this video we're going to be covering how to create a table with Python in SQLite. So first things first, what we're going to do is import SQLite, which comes pre-installed when you install Python. And then first, we have to define two variables. First, the connection to our database, which we're just going to call con, and then we're going to say SQLite dot connect, and then we're going to call the name of our database. And then we can do any database, and if we don't have this database created, it will automatically create it for us. So I've already created this testing.db. And then the second variable we have to do is C, which is short for cursor, which is going to help us execute all our tasks. Then we're going to do con dot cursor, and then that's going to define our cursor for us. And then what we have to do to create a table is type in C dot execute, and then we're going to use multi-line comments, and then it's just need three quotations on each side, and then we're going to tap enter out a little bit. And then what we have to do is all caps. We have to do create table, and then the name of our table, which we need to be in this video I'm just gonna call it tutorial. So we're gonna caps out tutorial, my bad guys, I spelled tutorial wrong. And then what we have to do is do open and close brackets, tab out the brackets, close that out, and then what we have to do is type in the values that are going to be in this table. So the values that a SQLite database can store is text, integer, blob, which is like any kind of like file, like MP4 file or anything else, and strings. So first we're just going to create a basic one column table, which we just want to make it name, and then we're going to type in text because that's the type it's going to be storing. And then we're just going to run this to see if we get no error. We get no errors. Now we want to comment this code out because we already created the table, and if we run it again, as I can show you, we're going to get an error because the table already exists. So then we're gonna hash this out, and just to make sure that the table is created, we're gonna do c.execute, and then we're gonna do select star from tutorial. And then on the next line we're gonna do C dot, first we're gonna print C dot fetch all. Oh guys, we forgot one thing. We forgot to commit this. What basically committing is it's just making sure that we make database. So we're just gonna quickly commit this. All you have to do is connection, which is con dot commit, and then let's hash this out for a second first so we can run this. And then table already exists, that's good. And then we hash this out, and then we unhash this. By the way, if you want to hash something in Python, it's control/, and then we run this, and we should get an empty list, which is now we know that we have a table. Now if you guys want to know how to insert variables or insert like hard insert something into the table, be sure to check out my next video. And for this video, this is going to be it. Thanks for watching. Bye.